Hey, what's up family? Today we back in the stew with another video, and this one we're gonna go over Supreme week 6 and we're gonna talk about some Supreme leaks and possible collaborations for the season. This is probably gonna be on the quicker side, but if you do end up enjoying, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments. But with all that being said, let's waste no time and get straight to it. So I think I'm gonna start with the droplist items that are confirmed at this point. The most popular one being the Uncut Box Logo skate deck. I feel like this was supposed to release a couple weeks ago and it never did, so they're gonna go ahead and drop it this week. Honestly, the week that it was supposed to drop, I remember talking about it, but I do not remember that shit dropping. I don't even know if I did a live cop that week. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But the Box Logo skate deck, it's looking tight clean. Let me know what y'all think about this. Are y'all actually gonna end up going for this item? I'm not even gonna try for this shit. I have way too many skate decks and I don't need another one, so I'm probably gonna skip on it. Then we got the Aeon Flux collection coming out. I don't know what that means, but there's 5 pieces that they're gonna be dropping. The first piece from the collection is the varsity jacket. This one comes in 2 colors, the brown leather with the red centerpiece, and then you got the all black joint. Honestly, if I were to go for this, I'd probably go for the black one, but I'm not gonna go for any of these shits. Retail's probably gonna be around $300 and I don't really need this jacket, so I'm not too pressed. I feel like it's decent. I do like where they went with it, kinda. There's just too much going on for me to wear this one. According to Supreme community, it's kind of mixed reviews and I'm not really feeling this one, so I'm gonna skip on it. We do got the Flux sweater coming out. This one's gonna be dropping in 2 colors as well. There's this blue with like this red print on it, and then there's the black with the white. This shit is mediocre, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's just not my cup of tea. It might be for some of y'all out there. The black with the white isn't terrible. I like what they did with the little design on the back and shit, but it's mid, bruh. Like, they got the zip up sweater coming out. This one's dropping in 4 to 5 colors. I literally have no zip ups in my collection and I'm trying to get some because I feel like it's stylish for spring. You feel me? You could just take that bitch off, but this is not it, bro. There's literally a big ass eye on the front of this, bro. You got nothing else, like dead ass nothing else that you could hit me with, please, bro? Yeah, this one comes in the 5 colors, the best one being the brown or the black. The teal is decent, bro, but like, we good. Like, I'm good on this shit. There's the work shorts, which come in 3 colors. The shorts are probably one of the better pieces simply because I do like the spell out under the eye. If the eye was something different, I would have caught these. The spell out under the eye is actually pretty cool on a pair of shorts, and it's something that I'm gonna consider for my brand in the future. This is clean. Let me know how y'all feeling about that. We do got the Aeon Flux soccer jersey. This one drops in 2 colors. You got the black and then you got the pink. I don't know what team you playing for, but you could hold that shit. Keep that over there. Like, just keep that wherever it is, because I don't need it over here. So this just in, low-key Supreme did add 2 items to the drop list. One of them being the gun tee, which is probably the best item on that whole Aeon Flux collection shit that they're dropping. That tee basically has this lady on it with a gun aiming down, and then it has a Supreme spell out under it. I feel like it's actually pretty sick, and it comes in the brown color, bro. So we don't even gotta discuss that shit no further. You got me. That's low-key the item that I might go for, depending on what else they add to the drop list. I think the tee is actually pretty clean. Then we got the long sleeve, which is coming in 4 different colors. Personally, I like it in the brown or the black. I like the way that the little blue accents pop on those more than the others. The white one is actually pretty clean too, but y'all know how I feel about white tees in general. Think about the long sleeve. Ugh, bruh, you touch some nasty shit with your sleeve a little too long on your shit, that shit gonna get brown. Like, ooh, nah, we good on these. Brown or the black, decent, but I'm probably just gonna try to go for the short sleeve anyways. This shit is mid. Let me know how y'all feeling about it. I just had to add that real quick. Let's go back and then we'll, you feel me, we'll, hey. And that's all we got confirmed for Supreme so far. Shit is looking mid. Yes, we can all agree upon my G. This is kind of ass, but no fear. We got some more Supreme leaks and news that you may not have seen. I don't know if you're on the gram looking this shit up, but if you aren't, we do have a pair of unreleased Supreme blazers. We don't know if these are ever coming out. This is a mock-up with 4 different colorways, but there is an actual in-hand picture of the shoe. I feel like the black one is probably my favorite. I do like the subtleness of it. Second up, I'd probably go for the purple, then the red. The red one is fire. When I first saw these, I didn't know how to feel about it completely, but they're decent, bro. If I could hit for retail and these ever did or do release, I would probably go for it for retail. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, this is a little unreleased Supreme vibe for y'all. Let me know how y'all feeling about these Supreme blazers. Is it a cop or a drop? Are these just ass, or would you actually wear these in one of these 4 colors? Let me know in the comments. We do have more Nike Supreme news, one being these corduroy pair of pants that we saw leaked, basically hinting at the fact that there's gonna be more Nike Supreme shit coming this season. But I don't know how I feel about the corduroy on these purple joints. If there's like a black one, you know, something different, let me see it. I don't know how I feel about it, but I did want to talk about it with you guys because I feel like there is gonna be more Nike shit, whether it's more sneakers releasing this season, just more heat to come for sure. I don't know if it's heat or bin material. There is gonna be more Nike shit coming to you. It's like this ARC logo vibe. It's cool, it's decent. Let me know how y'all feeling about it. There's another leak that there's gonna be a Supreme Zoom Flight 95. You heard it here first. A lot of y'all might not ever heard of that sneaker in your life. They're probably trying to revive this sneaker. Whenever Supreme collabs with like a Nike sneaker that's not popular, it's because Nike's trying to bring this sneaker back, and it's this one right here, the Flightposite 95s. They got this super crip vibe to it. Let me know if y'all copping these. Honestly, this shit was never a style of sneaker that I would wear, and it's not something that I'm looking forward to. If I want to wear anything with a posit behind it, it's gonna be a foam posit, bro. If I want to wear anything similar to it, it's gonna be an Air Bacon, nothing else. Air Bacon, foam posit, only high top style basketball sneakers that I really fuck with. Besides that, I think I'm coolin', bro. Let me know if y'all really like these right here. Supreme bringing us more Supreme Nike assness. Later this year, we gonna be seeing these shits right here. We got one more Nike leak for y'all, and it's these Supreme Nike Shox Ride 2. They're gonna be coming in 3 to 4 colorways, and honestly, they're not that bad. Like, the black ones look kind of solid. These 3 colors are more so mock-ups, and then there's the pair that's actually on feet, which is the black pair. That's the pair that I actually like. The 3 up here are alright. The white one is actually kind of clean. I'm not gonna lie, the white and the black pair do look kind of fire depending what you wear them with. I do see what they did with the Supreme branding around the actual shock. That's different. That's a little different. I like the way that they implemented the branding on it rather than just putting a big ass Supreme on the side. I could appreciate that. This is probably one of the better Air Maxi looking ass Supreme Nikes we've gotten in a minute, at least in my opinion. Let me know how y'all feeling about these Supreme Nike Shox. But we got one more thing confirmed, and it's the fact that there's gonna be Supreme Stone Island this season. We don't know what it's gonna be, but I've been hearing through the grapevine that it is confirmed that Stoney's coming spring summer 22. So hey, if you are interested in some Stone Island, stay tuned for Supreme, because honestly, I'm trying to cop some heat. Let me know if you are. But that's the last bit of news that I had for y'all in this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hey man, roll to 20K. Go ahead and run them numbers up, and I'm gonna try to do another giveaway for y'all soon. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.